Hello there. Are you looking to add IDX to your existing website? This service is called IDX Connect. Let's get started. I'd like to start by clarifying the three main components here. So there's IDXBroker.com, RealtyCandy.com, and IDX Add-ons.com. So IDX Broker is the IDX vendor, and you'll have a monthly fee for the feed with all the MLS listings. So IDX Broker works with the MLS to pull the data and be able to show that on your website online. That is a monthly fee, and this is the only monthly fee that you will have. RealtyCandy.com, we are software developers and we are partners with IDX Broker. We have been partners for over a decade now. We have a very strong partnership and we do not have any monthly fees. RealtyCandy only has one-time fee services, okay? And then IDX Add-ons. IDX Add-ons is the name of the dashboard with all the RealtyCandy software. So all the tools, or all the templates, apps, all the widgets, and all the just like cool stuff that we've built over the years, over a decade, you will find them here at IDXAddons.com. So IDXAddons.com is free for all RealtyCandy clients. Who are RealtyCandy clients? People who have an IDX Broker account with RealtyCandy as the developer partner on that account. I hope that makes sense. For our GoHighLevel users, the tools for high level, like the dashboard, the IDX button, the silo button, all the integrations for high level, all the GoHighLevel specific tools or apps that we have are also included here at IDX Add-ons. Okay, so let's take a look at the requirements for the IDX Connect. So the IDX Connect, remember, this is a service in which we're adding IDX to your existing website, which means that you already have a website. So first, IDX Broker account. We cannot add IDX to your website if you don't have IDX Broker, okay? So number one, IDX Broker account, which you can get here in our website. Number two is you need to own a finished website with obviously a domain. You need to own that domain as well. When we say finished website, we don't really need the website to be 100% finished. We just need the home page to be 100% finished. With the homepage, that's more than enough for our developers to get the colors, the fonts, and the overall style of your website. And then number three, we will need the IDX Connect payment, okay, which you can do here in this website. This is a one-time fee, and you can do it at RealtyCandy.com. An IDX Broker account is needed for any RealtyCandy service. An account can have multiple agents from the same team, the same brokerage, and they can have multiple MLSs. So one IDX Broker account can have 500 agents and it can have 27 MLSs. There's not a limit. However, the price increases as you increase the amount of agents and the amount of MLSs. All right, how much is IDX Broker? So if you go to RealtyCandy.com, click Get Started, and then Compare Plans, you'll be able to see this page right here. But you'll be able to compare the Core, which is $60 per month, or the Engage, which is $99 per month. You can read all the differences here in the website, like I said. One of the most important things I would say is sold data. Sold data right here. So sold data, if that is important for your real estate business, you would definitely go with the Engage. Your website, like I said, the homepage needs to be finished. You need to own a domain. You will need to have a finished website or at least a homepage with header, footer, colors, fonts, and overall style. Remember, whatever style or design you have on the homepage is what we will match to the rest of the IDX Broker pages. Any website builder or platform can be used to build your website. It can be on WordPress, Wix, GoHighLevel, Squarespace, Showit, any platform you prefer. As mentioned, one IDX Broker can be shared by all your teammates or people from the same brokerage. If that's the case, if you have an IDX Broker multi-agent account, before we do the IDX Connect, I would recommend that you add the agent information, right? This is simply going into IDX Broker, adding the name, the email, their phone number, their bio, and their picture. This is only if it is a multi-agent account, right? For single agent accounts, you can disregard, you don't need to add this. Here is a quick image of how you can do this at IDX Broker. You sign in into your dashboard, you go to account, users, agents, and then you'll be able to add agents. The IDX Connect, as we discussed, is a one-time fee of either $79, $149, or $299. Here in this page, you'll be able to compare what is included in each service, okay? So for the standard, we will match the pages, the fonts, colors, header, footer. Doesn't say it right here, but for example, if your design has rounded edges, we'll make everything else rounded edges as well. We will go in there on your IDX Broker account and optimize all the settings. We will add the search bar. We will add a home valuation, the Google Maps widget on the home page as well. Agent or office info on listing. So on the contact for a specific listing, we will add a nice widget there that matches your website so that you can display your photo and your information. We will activate our tools at IDX Add-ons for SEO. And for the Deluxe, this is a $149 one-time fee, and this includes everything the standard includes, so all standard features, plus the featured or newest listings widget on the homepage, and 5 community pages with AI written content and live MLS results. So this is a page that contains results of a specific area. We can generate the brief information about the area for you using AI, or you can provide us the brief description of the area and we'll add that in there. It can be a city, a county, a neighborhood, it can be a zip code or whatever is relevant to your business, as long as your MLS has a search criteria for that. Okay, and so all the bells and whistles is everything that's included in Deluxe and also Standard, plus 20 AI-powered community pages, a homepage linking to all the communities, the 20 communities. There's you may also like widget on the community pages as well that show other properties like the ones that they're looking at, IDX market reports for each community. What's included is, as I was mentioning, IDX Broker pages style to match your current site, all RealtyCandy premium IDX layouts, MLS listings and search bar on your homepage, or wherever you tell us to put it. Like if you have another page for it, you can just put a placeholder for us and we will put it there. And what's not included is IDX Broker subscription fees, which, as we discussed, are a separate monthly fee paid directly to IDX Broker. Hosting or domain setup, we don't have access to any of your domain or your hosting, so that is not related to IDX Connect. New website builds or design work, we do not do any design work on any of the website pages. All the pages that we will work on are IDX Broker pages, okay, like the map search, like the details page, and we'll take a look in just a bit. But we do not do design work. We will also not set up menu or buttons on your site. We will provide you with the links and you can do with those links whatever you prefer, whatever works best for your business. So we will provide the links as mentioned, and you'll be able to add them at the menu, at the navigation menu as an option, or you can create a button or a nice image and link that page onto that image. I'll show you an example in just a bit. We will not set up extra widgets beyond your plan as well. Any saved links or features not listed in your package. You can always let us know if you have any questions or if you need anything else. We'll point you in the right direction. So one quick thing here about IDX add-ons. When we do the IDX Connect, we will also apply about 25 add-ons. So as mentioned, IDXaddons.com is the dashboard where all the RealtyCandy software is. This is where our clients actually have the dashboard to use it. It looks like this. You have all the apps. There are over 85 apps. Okay, there's a lot. When we do the integration, when we do the IDX Connect, we activate like the most important ones, like the agent information widget, the IDX colors and styles, the SEO links, the search tool. We will activate the community, the office information widget, speedy widgets. Okay, so we will activate about 25 of this. The home valuation, we will include that for you, the Google Maps widget. So we will activate those for you. As mentioned, we will deliver a website that's ready for people to search through the listings. However, you have full access and ownership here, and everything is designed so that you can do as much as you can on your own, okay? After we deliver your website, you'll have the ability to add more apps. This is kind of like when you get a new iPhone and you're like, what app should I download, right? So like that depends on what you're trying to do. Every single app that we make has an about page with a tutorial video showing you exactly how to set it up, and also a tutorial page right here, tutorial, with step-by-step with screenshots. You don't need to know how to code. Okay, let's take a look at this example right here. So in this case, she signed up for a Deluxe IDX Connect, which means somebody else built her this website. Then we came in and added her IDX Broker feed into this website. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, so the designer created this website for her. The photo, the colors, the style, the template, all of these buttons, you know, the overall content here. Everything was done by her designer. Then they signed up for an IDX Connect. We came in and added the search bar. We added the featured listings widget right here. So these are her featured listings, and we've styled it in a way that matches, okay, that matches her website design. So for example, if I click on the search bar here, let's just go, I don't know, Alpine, Tennessee. Let's just search. We can tell this is an IDX Broker page because it says /IDX, which is actually not a website page. This was not done by the designer. But because this page, this IDX Broker page, has been integrated by RealtyCandy, we can see it has the same header, the same footer, the same colors, the same fonts. Everything is branded like the rest of her pages, okay? And when I click on our property, I can still see I've been here many times. It's asking me to log in. I'll show you another example in just a bit, but here you can see kind of what it looks. Something really important to understand about IDX Broker is that IDX Broker works on subdomains, okay? So IDX Broker pages are not part of the website. Like, for example, if you have your website on WordPress, the IDX Broker pages like the map search, the results, the details, the advanced search, all those pages, you won't be able to edit or customize them in the website editor. They're managed in IDX Broker. Okay, and so for example, let's take a look here. If I go here to where it says About Us and then Meet Candace, for example, this is a website page that the designer created for her. So Candace/Meet Candace. Okay, this is just a website page, and she can add many of these pages, as you know. Okay, she can create a blog, she can create a Meet Me or About Me or whatever pages she wants. When somebody signs up for an IDX Broker account, they get a set list of pages. Okay, but those pages look nothing like the website. And so this is why we need an IDX Connect, because we can see here, for example, she has added the links as navigation menu options. And so if I go to map search, I want you to please watch the URL. Right now we're at candaceanger.com/Meet Candace. If I go to an IDX Broker page, like the map search, I'll be taken to listings.candaceanger.com, which again is not a website page, but an IDX Broker page, listings.candaceanger.com. So we can see this is a RealtyCandy template, but it has her colors, her fonts, her header, her footer. If I click on the logo, for example, I will be taken back to the homepage. So everything is seamlessly integrated. And so this also has a CNAME record right here, a subdomain, which means candaceanger.com is receiving SEO credit, all the SEO juice for all these pages. Okay, so that is very important as well, and we will help you do that. It takes 4 minutes. We'll hop on a call with you and we can do it together. This is a GoHighLevel website, just for reference. As mentioned, IDX Connect works on any platform that lets you add JavaScript. Basically, every platform: WordPress, Wix, Duda, Showit, Webflow, all of them. This is a GoHighLevel website. Let's take another quick look at this. Is a Wix website. Same thing. Somebody made this website. They signed up for a Deluxe IDX Connect. We came in, added the search bar that matches their colors and fonts and all of that. They did that themselves. We added the featured listings. As you can tell, these featured listings have another style, like a different style than this featured listings. Okay, so we will style them according to the overall style of the homepage. Okay, so these are their featured listings. They've added the communities that they asked for right here. So for example, if I go to ranches, this will take me to the results of ranches. So this is only displaying properties that have the field criteria of ranches. And we can see how everything, the buttons, the font, the colors, everything is matching their homepage. In this case, as you can see, there's a featured agent and a co-listed agent. So this is why if your account is a multi-agent, it's important that you add those agents' information. I definitely recommend this service to anyone who has an IDX Broker account. Our developers have been doing IDX Broker exclusively for over a decade now. So we're able to deliver this within 1 or 2 business days. So once you make the payment, we'll send you an email with the list of things we need from you. Once we have everything we need, we only take 1 or 2 business days. You can sit back and relax. Our developers will go in and do the work for you. We will deliver a website that's ready for people to search through the listings. We would love to help you and save you so much time and possibly a headache. If you're a website designer or a developer or a marketing agency, definitely contact us at support@realtycandy.com so we can partner up. You take care of the design work and we take care of the IDX work. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at realtycandy.com.